Dan Sumner here from dansumnerblog.com. Now, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can upload a WordPress blog to your web space within a few clicks. Now, where we need to start, we actually need a hosting company. So, to achieve the simple upload, some hosting companies will do it, some don't. Now, we're going to use a hosting company today called D9. Now, I know these guys personally. They are excellent at what they do. They're cheap and they provide a great service. So, we'll take you through the order process and I'll just show you the basics of where to start. Okay, so if you don't have a domain name, now we need to leave this radio button checked here. If you already have a domain name, then you simply enter it into this field here and click continue, and they will actually transfer your domain name for you. But for now, we're going to let D9 Solutions register our new domain. So when it comes to a domain name, just give it a little time, think about what kind of domain name you want. You don't have to choose one today, you can choose one tomorrow. Give it a couple of days. Write down exactly what niche you want to be in. Your name is always a good idea to have for a start, and then you can build on this. And in time, I guarantee you'll have more than one domain. So we'll get started. Now, for all intents and purposes, today I'm just going to use niche domain test 1, 2, 3. Now, hopefully this will be available. This is basically just an example, and yeah, that's available for $9.99. Now, I'm not actually going to buy that domain because it's not really a domain that I would want. But once you enter your domain name in, click the .com. It's always best to buy the .com. If you want to buy more, then fine. But I just tend to buy the .com. Now we click continue. And to get the $7.99 package, we need to choose the annual free domain, annual with free domain. Now, with your free domain, the price works out at around $97, which is extremely cheap for 1 year's hosting and domain name. So you don't need to buy any more hosting accounts, you don't need to buy any more web space, servers, nothing like that. All you pay is this one price today, and you will have your blog online within minutes. Now, you don't need any of this, no free transfer. If you already have existing web space, then yes, you can transfer your files over for free, or you don't have to check that. You can always ask the guys later, then they'll do it for you. Don't need the product ID. And yeah, just skip through the billing cycle and you'll find here, there you go. Now simply go to checkout, fill in your personal details, choose a password, choose a decent password, and go through the payment process. As soon as you read the terms and conditions and complete your order, then you will be taken to a landing page within the members area and you will be sent an email. Now your email will look a little like this. And what is important here is our domain name that we've chosen, our username and password. Now the username and password will be blurred out for basically security reasons. But what we need to click is our cPanel login. So we click our cPanel login, and this will take us to our hosting control panel. Now you will get a pop-up, do you need help getting started? Now it's a good idea if you are not familiar with any of the features within your control panel to go through the tutorials, but for now we'll just click no thanks, I'm fine. If you want to see it again, just don't click this button. So we'll just click no thanks, I'm fine for now. And what we need to be concerned with here is a little smiley blue guy at the bottom called Fantastico Deluxe. Now just click the Fantastico Deluxe icon and you will be taken to a sub menu and a sub control panel with a lot of tools that you can use within the left hand side. And what we need to be concerned with here is WordPress. Now we just click WordPress and this will take us to our WordPress feature. And we need to click now new installation. Now as you can see here it's highlighted, so we'll click new installation. And at this point we have step 1 of 3. Now the domain I'm using is called onlineincomeadvisor.info. This is where I have one of my blogs, and I'm going to install it directly on onlineincomeadvisor.info. If you wanted to install it in a directory, say for example onlineincomeadvisor.info/blog, we would simply type /blog. Or if you had another business, for example, say your name, dansumner.com, and we could have /blog, then we would type /blog in there. But for this video, we're just going to directly upload our WordPress blog to onlineincomeadvisor.info. Now, when you purchase your domain, your domain will appear in here. You can use the drop-down box if you have purchased more than one domain. But for now, this is where we're going to upload our blog. Now, the next section is admin access data. Now, we need to enter our username. Now, admin for me works well enough. And we also need to choose a password. So this section will be blurred out as well, and it will be changed at a later date. So I'm going to call it pass 99. Now I will change this password and admin nickname. Now, okay, we have an email address here, which is where you can register your blog. Now, you don't have to use the standard email address. You can type in any other email address you like, your Yahoo, your Google, any other personal address in there, which is fine. Your site name, which will be your domain name, and a description. Now we can just type for the description, we can just type blog. Now, once all this is done, we just click install WordPress, and there you go. We click finish installation, and we have a notice here giving you some info about your username and password. And there you go, that's it. A simple process, installed. Once you go to the finished section, we can check out the link visit site, and there we go. There is our WordPress blog, new and online. And we can log into our control panel by simply typing wp-admin. Admin, and our password, pass99. And there you go. Now we might see an update link. We can just click update now and upgrade automatically. And WordPress will actually do this for you, so you have no worries. It's quite self-contained. And go back to our dashboard and you're ready to create your first post. So simply click post, crash the hello world. Add new. We call it test post 1. Test post 1. And publish. And we can view the post after we've published it. And there you go, test post 1. Now another thing that you may want to add are some categories. Now we can call this category 1 or marketing and marketing, and then click add new category. Now we see here we have a marketing category. Now we can go back to our post and we'll just log into our post again, and instead of it being in the uncategorized section, we can place it in the marketing section and update. Now view our post. You can see on the right hand side there we have marketing. We click marketing and there we go. Okay, there you are. WordPress installed and uploaded in about 5 clicks, and now you have your own hosting, your own blog online. So happy blogging, and I'll see you on the next video. This is Daniel Sumner from dansumnerblog.com. Thank you.